morning, sweets. It is our last official day in Bali. Wow. So we're in Ubud right now, and we're gonna go do some Ubudi things. We're gonna go to the Telangalang. I don't know how to say any of these places that we're going, and you've seen that throughout the vlog. We're gonna go to the Telangalang rice field, then we're gonna go to the Elephant Lodge, and then after that, if we have time, then I'd love for us to go to the waterfalls because it looked so gorgeous. And then we head back to Seminyak, drop Kishan off at the airport, and then we go back to the house, take a quick nap, then we're out of here. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlog so far. This part of the vlog should be fun, I'm hoping. So we have a driver for the day, and he's just gonna take us to all the places. We have him for 8 hours, so we're gonna see how many things we can squeeze in. But those 2 things and that 3rd thing is something that we definitely want to do. And we want to get back to the Ubud Market if we have time, of course. So here's my fit. Here is a tour of our villa in Ubud. So Ubud is the more rural part of Bali. As you can see, a lot of trees, and we're right behind a rice field, which we thought was a really nice thing, even though the rice field is brown. I think that's when it's like hatching. I don't really know how it works. We have a pool, and it's 3 bedrooms. I'll show you the bedrooms last. So what we really liked about this place was the fact that it had like a lot of nice artwork. So we have this right here, some sitting areas, and then we have the little kitchen, and we got a fridge. Now this was one of the most expensive places that we stayed, and it's actually one of the smallest, which is so bizarre to me. So this is my room, and then we have this nice mirror here, a desk. This chair was here. This is the bed. Of course, my shit's all over it. And then it has this really gorgeous feature art piece. And I'll lie, when I woke up in the night, this bitch scared me. Here is the bathroom. Has a big mirror, a pedestal, and a feature of most of the places here is that the shower and the toilet are normally together. If not, it's enclosed by just like a glass. So this was our bathroom, and me and Kishana shared bathrooms. Are you clothed? Yeah. So this is Kishana's room. Has a little chest, her bed. She has a little desk, and this is her art piece. And this is Kishana.
Hi.
Oh, she has 2 art pieces. So she has this. Wow, this one's nice. Yeah. Very minimal. I'm gonna see if Gart's available. Are you closed? I want to record your room.
Can you give me a few?
No, just it's not that serious. Thank you, I appreciate it. So this is Garth's room. This is his art piece. He has a desk as well with a chair. He got a naked bitch in here too. Typical Garth. There's this horse. He has a bookshelf, and he has his own bathroom. It has that nice little center light thing, and as I was showing you guys, there's no separation between the toilet and the shower, and that's it. Every morning I long to hold you. I have you. I need you. I want you. I have to have you. I like your taste. I like your smell. Oh, coffee. Yeah. I love you. Okay.
Okay, so welcome to Alasan Agrotourism.
Thank you.
My name is Tiara. Here I will be your guide.
Thank you.
They eat the coffee fruit, but they didn't chew the bean. But the bean for its hot, they just swallow the bean. And the bean have a fermentation in the stomach of the luwak, around 12 hours fermentation. And then after that, you can wipe them and drink. And it's the droping.
So you take the coffee from the drop?
Yes. We collect just the coffee bean, but the luwak coffee very different and Bali coffee. But the luwak coffee like a better. Oh.
Okay, so we are named lima sheet.
It was one time.
What's this?
This is
Now we are going
Yeah, this is the proof. We dry it around 4 days until 1 week. This is after we dry it. And then we wash it by hot water until clean. Yes. And then after we wash until become like this, we can remove the skin one by one. Yeah, this one, the coffee bean is inside. Yeah. So this one we roasting. And after we roast it, have sell again this one. This one we can wash again by hot water. Like this. Until they are gone, they very clean like this. And then this is after we clean it, we wash again and then we dry. And then after that we can roasting over there. Here we have like a traditional process by here.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Man,
Yeah.
you know what it is.
Every day. What's the song about grinding?
Every day I'm up. I've been grinding on my life.
Time with me.
No,
Grind on me.
just grind with me, baby.
Is that hard?
Hammer time.
So they have Rosella tea here. But really,
Sorry.
it's sorrel. That's so nice. A piece of home. So they call it Rosella. We didn't hear that.
So I'm tell you say it look like Sarah and
Just
something why you never
one
believe me.
here. Yeah, so this one.
Don't ever believe me, I'm tell you say it
I
look
didn't
like Sarah.
hear you.
Panda.
You never listen.
So here we have 14 candy and coffee combination. This is with different flavor. Later we give you all of them for free tasting like a welcome drink here. Yes,
All of them?
all of them. So except for the luwak coffee. If you want to try the luwak coffee, we charge 50,000 for 1 cup and include 1 cup small Bali coffee to compare the taste.
You guys just want to get one cup?
And coffee. Different flavors, different luwak coffee and Bali.
Why you know want lua shit?
Right.
Nice.
So they give you, they make a bunch of different teas and they give you samplers for free. So this is them. But you have to pay for the Lombok coffee. This is mangosteen tea.
The one here not so nice. But it's ginseng, that's why.
Real good.
No, brother.
Yeah, drink it up. I taste it, you know.
What's supposed to do
Rosacea
that,
tea.
Yeah, but I taste it.
Yeah, me taste it and she finished them and so.
Alright, me I drink more then.
But this is not supposed to be sorrel.
No,
No.
see that one is Rosella. Oh yeah, that is sorry.
Yeah, that's what them call sorrel.
Rosella.
So why wouldn't you sorrel make tea at Jamaica? This nice.
I hate sorry.
Me not drink
Really?
Like, I
don't
don't
drink
drink sorry.
sorrel.
I love sorrel. I best part of Christmas.
If-
It's on the arm.
If I saw cereal taste, make her drink it, you know.
Tea.
Tea. What is ginseng?
Wow, cinnamon tea is so good.
Ginseng is.
Who would have known?
You can finish them in a pass. We are passing down.
I mean, you want to drink tea till before?
What is
Ginseng.
Cinnamon tea. Ooh, this is saffron.
That ginseng one that tastes like a dirty.
I don't like the ginseng.
I don't really like cinnamon tea like that. Then again, I'm not a fan of cinnamon.
Yes, you aren't.
There's that.
Wow.
No, look at that walk. No, and that little bridge thing there.
The cinnamon tea not bad.
Here. I'm not too like that one.
I'm not gonna go away. I'm moving. I'm going to farm rice. and grow coffee. I eat.
Says the guy who's
I eat.
afraid of snakes.
Alright, with coffee then.
So snake no in a coffee things.
I don't like that.
I don't like it either.
Which one that?
That's
Saffron.
saffron.
Oh, it's not that bad. When you work it down.
This is ginger. Wow,
Blood cleat.
I don't know if you like ginger tea, but this is really nice.
You know, if the belly I give trouble.
The saffron one, they no
You
eat.
can drink like a ginger tea.
Power.
Balance.
Why we need balance? One time people throw up us, so you behave.
Correct.
This.
Smile for the cam.
Look at them on the swing.
I wonder if I can video myself from first person, like using my phone.
You should.
You could.
Flying fox, flying Garth.
Spanish town would be pleased. Probably not. They're like, dog, what are you doing?
Make man a strap you up, me G.
Man, the governor may have to experience things to know to govern properly.
True.
Finished product, turn around.
Spin. Yay!
Put the glue.
Whoa!
Oh, wait. The whole, yeah. That's all I have to do.
You sound afraid now.
Just like if I let go, anything bad happen. I'm gonna hold on.
If I let you go, will anything bad happen?
Oh!
Woo! I just the same ago?
Yeah.
The hell? That's anticlimactic.
That is more than that.
Woo! How you feeling?
Okay.
Woo!
Up your leg, split your leg.
Straight your leg.
Like a regular swing. Look behind.
Look behind for your photo, Kish.
Open your hand and look to the right. Look at me. Open your hand. Let go.
Let go.
Let go.
She said she's afraid.
Let go your hand and look at me. One hand. Why you're... Open your leg. Well, this is dramatic.
Wow.
Let go and look back. Up your leg.
Kisha!
Open your hand and look back. Let go.
Let go.
Let go and look back. Live, Kishana, live.
I'm afraid just a watch.
Right.
I feel like that.
Up your leg. Live. Live. One. Hold. Open your hand and look behind. Two hands, good. Oh, the boomer on it. Let go. Look at me, look to the right. Up your leg.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
It feels good after a while.
You mean after you don't panic?
Yeah.
Yo, what are the friends? It does come over on this side. But I think the ropes keep the tension. Okay, open your hand and look to the right.
Woo! Let's go, guys! No, it's not.
Look at me. Open your hand and look behind.
Open your hand.
Open your hand and
I feel like my hand did twist up.
Okay, look
We
at
don't regret this place at all. It's everything we wanted and more. I think we're gonna end up skipping the rice fields. That's how gorgeous it is. We're in this heart bungalow. Like, god damn, it's beautiful. Kishana up here getting them angles. He's showing off.
We're working.
Working.
My Instagram look more Spain town governor.
International governor.
Finished?
Oh, it's so pretty. Look at the monkey. So we left the rice field and the coffee place. Now we're here at Bali Zoo. So we're gonna go get tickets. Ah! Hi, friend.
Yeah, give me the portrait for you, boo.
What's your? Oh, see some here.
Where?
Babies.
Oh, fawns. Would you look at that?
I didn't even know fawns were real. I thought they made them up for Lion the Witch and the Wardrobe.
Yeah, very much so, yeah. Look at him.
Oh my goodness! Hi, friend.
You ain't talk to animals like babies.
I smile. It's the one voice I got.
Alright, hold on. Relax. He not mad. He not mad.
In my pose.
Okay, look at camera.
Look at this vibes. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Okay. The tigers?
Let me see if I can take a selfie. So we are at the zoo. We just saw the elephants. Kishana just bonded with her true mate,
My soul.
her spirit animal,
Definitely my spirit animal.
and I was terrified of it. Like, I've always been a fan of elephants, but I've never seen one up close, and the size literally was just like, it was low-key scary, but I got over it in time, and I got like 2 good photos. So we're going back down to the regular part of the zoo to see more tigers and lions and bears.
But we're scared of loving you.
Yup. So we're taking the shuttle to get there. Yeah, man, necessary. Ooh, hot.
Yeah, man, it's gonna hurt my back. She looks a lot stronger than he is, though.
She does. Him look old. Man say, two will catch it. Watch it, ready? Frisky.
Oh, they passed the food. Oh, and go there because food coming down on the zip line. So the guy, look, see piece of meat here? Look on this side. Look here, Sakishana. See? Piece of meat coming up on this. So that's why I'm going them thinking slick.
Mama.
Uh-oh. You have to jerk it, jerk it.
It's wrong, you know.
Huh?
It's wrong. She said, you did think you to go get this? Yeah, you.
Oh, but give him my next piece, no?
Yo, no breeze me. We got the Ubud Market now.
Again.
Last night we came here and it was closed.
We also came a day before that.
And we came the day before that, but then we didn't buy all the things. So now we're buying all the things. Because it's our last day here. Come.
No, but no, no.
Knock it, knock it, knock it, knock it.
This is how to string it. You know what I mean?
What?
No, it's okay. Should I like wake up?
Yeah, one of them want my mother.
I need to buy a beach like that. See there? I love how to coconut.
One like this more I get going on. But in a nicer shape. But a black shoe on. How much?
300,000.
Okay.
Discount okay, how much?
Okay guys, we're at the airport. Kishana is about to get, she's going. We're gonna leave tomorrow morning. Really hope you enjoyed this Bali vlog. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, subscribe now. We had such a great time, right?
Yeah, it was awesome.
It was great.
You guys should come to Bali.
It's great.
You should be here.
Don't do that. That's a world of interesting. Don't do that.
Is it?
Yeah, don't do that.
Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.